Hi besties, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. So a serious glow up is needed because I'm going on holiday in literally 5 days time. So I'm just going to take you along the process of me like prepping and packing for the holiday. So first step is getting my hair done. I haven't had my hair done in over a year, so we just need some like serious like makeover. I'm going to get it shorter, a little bit blonder as well. And then tomorrow I'm getting my nails done. This is literally the state of my nails. Again, I haven't had my nails done this year. I've just been kind of like trying to go for like the natural beauty sort of vibe, but it's clearly not working for me. And I normally get a bite out of it, but I think for holiday I just want like really long nails, so I'm gonna go for like acrylic. But yeah, here's my outfit for today. Jacket is Ganni. This little t-shirt is from Bershka. My jeans are Weekday. My bag is Anthropologie. Sunglasses, Chanel, and I'm just going to wear my burgundy Sambas to go with it. There you go, and let's go. It's now the next day and I'm about to get my nails done, but I haven't showed you guys my hair because, not gonna lie, I had a bit of like a mental breakdown over it because it's a lot blonder than I expected, and I haven't seen my hair so blonde in such a long time, so I kind of like freaked out a little bit, but it's gonna take a while to get used to it. But I've gone shorter as well, and I've gone for like front like layers, and I think it just looks so cute. But yeah, I'm about to get my nails done. Here's my outfit for today. I'm just wearing the same jeans as yesterday, a white crop from Zara, leopard jumper is from Jaded London. I'm literally obsessed with it, it's so cute. And then the bag is from Olivia Sales, and then yeah, I'm just gonna wear Sambas. Yeah, it just looks really cute. It's much later now, but I'm back from getting my nails done and I'm literally obsessed with them. They look so cute. But there you go, I just went for like a green French tip chrome and I'm literally obsessed with them. They look so colourful and yeah, I just love how they look. But yeah, I also popped into town to get some like last minute bits. So I went to Boots and H&M. So first item I picked up from H&M is just this straw hat, and I just think this looks so cool, and obviously it will keep my face and my head away from the sun. Because my hair is so thin, my scalp literally burns so quickly, so hats are needed, and this was only £10.99, so it's not too bad. I also picked up some underwear. Then I went to JD and just picked up a pair of just Adidas socks. I got a little bit crazy in Boots, so first thing I picked up is an Estrid razor. I've heard so many good things about them, so I can't wait to try it. I got it in the colour, does this have a name? I'm not sure on the colour, but it's like a pastel, like lilac colour. And I also got the travel case, obviously. Also picked up some Isla tint for brows, so I'm going to do that today or tomorrow. And then picked up the Aveeno Oat Gel Moisturiser. Apparently this is a dupe for the Tatcha like moisturiser. So again, I can't wait to try this out. What else? I also picked up new shampoos. Picked up L'Oreal Elvive. This is the Bond Repair one shampoo, and then the pre-shampoo as well. Picked up a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Never tried it before. And I got this in the shade Custard for when I'm a little bit more tan. And then Veet Expert wax strips. I also popped into TK Maxx for a quick little browse, and I just found these cute little earrings. I thought very on theme, very beachy. And they were only £6.99. TK Maxx has some really good jewellery. I also got home to an ASOS parcel, so I might as well show you what I got. I picked up these flowy linen pinstripe trousers. They're from Stradivarius, and I got these in size small. I don't think I'm going to take them on holiday with me, but I think they're just so cool, like a very springy summer kind of vibe, and I'm obsessed. And then I got my airport outfit because I literally had no like cute joggers or cute sets for airport, so just picked up a plain pair of grey joggers. They're from Stradivarius, they're size small, and they're really nice, big, slouchy and comfy. I'm probably gonna take a pair of shorts with me in my carry-on just in case I get too hot, but yeah, love having joggers. And then picked up this sweatshirt from Fourth and Reckless. and I'm obsessed with the brand. I think this is so cool. Loving red at the moment, and this is in size small and it fits so nice. And again, I'm just going to take this on the plane with me. I'm going to wear it with a cute little t-shirt underneath because I get so cold on planes. But I am going to take extra clothes with me in my carry-on just in case I get too hot or too cold. Good morning, happy Sunday. We're leaving in 2 days time, so I'm just doing some packing and like prepping. Just going through all my clothes that I'm taking, and I'm just taking off all the labels off of them. Most of the stuff I'm taking you guys have seen in my 2 previous hauls, so I'm not going to show you anything. But I did pick up some new bits, like last minute bits from ASOS. I just picked up a pair of white linen flowy trousers from Pull & Bear. This stunning long sleeve maxi zebra print dress. I think this is my favourite dresses I'm taking because it just fits so well and I just really like it. I think it's really flattering. It's kind of given like realization par dresses. And then also, I don't think I showed you this. This is just a little set from White Fox Boutique, but I got it through Vinted like ages and ages ago, and I think I'm going to wear this in Miami on like a little night out. This is actually the skirt, but you could wear it as a little tube top. Oh, I didn't think of that. But yeah, I'm just going to take off all of the tags because I hate traveling with tags, and then I'm just going to sort everything in if it needs to go in for a wash, and then I'm just going to sort stuff in packing cubes. I just got these through Amazon and they come in like different sizes. So I've actually planned all my outfits a few days ago, and I've got 4 daytime outfits and I've got 9 evening outfits. So we're going for 10 nights, but I've got 9 evening outfits. So obviously the first night is just going to be really casual, probably going to be really tired, we're not going to do anything. But I've only got 4 daytime outfits because obviously we're going on holiday, so most of the time we're going to be spending at the beach or by the pool. So I'm taking, I think, 6 bikinis. So I've got the blue one from White Fox, I've got the flower one from SLA Label, leopard print from Pretty Little Thing, the brown one from Mermaid Swim, yellow from Mermaid Swim, I've got the white one from Mermaid Swim but it's in wash, and I've also got this one from SLA Label, but it's currently in bits because everything came loose in the wash. So this is what currently the bottoms look like, and this is what the top looks like. So this is what I'm going to be doing tonight, trying to get everything back together, so wish me luck. So for beach cover-ups, I'm obviously going to take the SLA Label little floral top, as well as the like oversized like pink shirt to go with this bikini, and like a pair of denim shorts would look really cute. And then obviously I've got the sarongs, matching sarongs for the Mermaid Swim bikinis, and then other bits I've got are just the White Fox skirt and top, and then the mesh key like flowy crochet trousers. And obviously I'm also going to take the linen trousers as well. I'm not sure if I want to take these ones I'm wearing right now, but they might be like a nice travel outfit as well. Oh, I'm also going to take these because they're just really cute, and I think with like the blue White Fox bikini they might look quite cute, or even the white one. So yeah, I just need to organise everything, put it into the packing cubes, and I think we should be done, obviously apart from everything that's in the wash, but I'll sort that out tomorrow. Okay, so I've just put everything in my suitcase. So I've got my clothes and bikinis in packing cubes on this side, and then this side is the accessories. So I've got my bags, hats, disposable camera, hair accessories, I've got shoes, I've got more shoes downstairs, I need to bring them up. And I've got my hand luggage, which is still empty, the hat which will go in the hand luggage, but I'm doing really good for space, and I'm hoping I'm doing really good for weight, but obviously, like I said, my hand luggage is still empty. I'm all packed and prepped to go to London. Obviously our flight is not till tomorrow morning from Heathrow, but we live like 2.5 hours away, so it's just best to go to London today. We're just going to spend the night in a hotel. So here's my outfit for that. Pull and Bear, like linen trousers, long sleeve top from Adanola, and I've treated myself to this tote from Ganni, and I'm literally obsessed with it. It's leopard and I love it so much. And then I've got my hand luggage, and yeah, let's go to Miami and the Bahamas.